It's your open source advocate, and I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to talk about something pretty cool. This actually came out about a week ago, maybe a few days ago, but the new version of portainer-ce is out, Portainer 2.9.1, and you can update your system. You can see I've already got mine updated. I just haven't cleared the message yet, but you can go through and just rerun your portainer command that you used on your desktop command line to install portainer and update it. And when you get that new version, you have a really nice new feature, which is dark mode, and it's something that I've been wanting for a while, and I was surprised they didn't have, so I'm super glad to see that they've added it. But they have some really great stuff, not just dark mode, but a high contrast theme as well, so I wanted to show you guys that. This is just a short kind of bonus video for the week. I hope you enjoy this. Let's get into it. I want to say thank you to all of my patrons over at Patreon and my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for all of your support. I love doing this channel. I love making this media and this content for you. I hope you enjoy it as well. So once you've updated, of course, you can clear this message so you don't have to see it anymore. But you go up here to the right top and you click on My Account, and down here, right here at the bottom, you'll see there's the different themes. So right now we're on the default light theme that you get whenever you first install it. But right away when you click, you'll see that it changes to show you what it looks like. Now you still need to click Save to say you want to use this theme. But you can see here's the dark theme. It's got some nice grays and some blacks for the fields, things like that, with some good contrast for the text, which I really like and really appreciate. But they also have this high contrast theme, and I'll be honest, I kind of like this deep black with just the white border. I really kind of like the high contrast. Some people may not like this as much, but I think it's pretty great. So let's look at both of them. Just going to say use theme, and you'll see you get a little message up here that says you're good to go. And then you can go back over here to your dashboard. You can see what it looks like here. It's got the white borders kind of all the way around, or yellow. I don't know. That's just a high contrast border all the way around it. Of course, if you click into your containers, you'll see how everything looks here. You still get the nice background highlighting as you hover over anything. You get a lot of the same information, really. It's the same buttons, but things have just been really toned up to have a nice high contrast theme. Now, same thing if we go back to My Account and we switch back to this dark theme, say Use Theme, and then make sure it gets the little check mark. And now again, we can go back to our dashboard. And you see it's got a little bit more of a grayish tone, kind of a nice gray blue even. I don't know. It's a little bit hard to tell. I've got a little bit of a glare on my screen right now, but it looks like a nice kind of almost a midnight blue to me. It's really nice. It's a nice color. Very easy on the eyes. Click in. You've got this same thing where you get the nice highlighting. The buttons look like they've been themed as well. They're not quite as bright maybe. Maybe they're the same colors and just the background makes them not pop quite so much, which is nice. It's a little bit muted. This button here or this indicator, I guess it's not really a button, is pretty bright still for me for a dark theme, but it stands out also that it's running and everything is up and good, so that's great. But I really like this. It's a nice, simple thing, and it seems simple to us. Being a product manager, I say simple a lot. Really, the developers always kind of probably have an exasperated sigh when I say that because they know it's going to be a lot of work. Theming is a lot of work, and a lot of work goes into theming, so finding really good themes like this is super great. So thank you to the Portainer folks for doing this. It's really terrific. Thank you to your designers, your UX people, your developers. This is super terrific. If you're interested in portainer-ce, I have videos out there on how to install it and how to get it running and how to run Portainer agents so that you don't just have a single install of Portainer going, but you can actually access different servers with Portainer running on them. So you can go out there and check those things out as well. And you'll see it even affects your Portainer agent theming, so it's not just your main system, but all of your agents also take that theming that you've selected, which is great. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, like, subscribe, tell your friends about it so they can come along on this open source journey with us, and I'll talk to you next time.